Hey guys, this is a requested video and I was asked to make a wall mirror with wall sconces that would go together as a set using Dollar Tree spoons. The request was specific and this is what I came up with. Now let's go ahead and get started. I got a set of embroidery hoops and I took out just one of it and I cut it into two. I spray painted it silver and then I covered it up with beads using a hot glue gun and an E6000 glue for a better hold. These are silver plastic spoons, mini spoons used for dessert that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I will be gluing them at the inner middle of the embroidery hoop. This is how I'm going to be gluing down the spoons onto the embroidery hoop. And I'm doing this just to make sure that the spoons stay in place. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to go around with an E6000 glue at the back to make sure that I seal it off. Because you cannot go on with this project using just a hot glue gun. You would need a strong adhesive, but then I used an E6000 glue because it is a strong adhesive, just to make sure that the spoons are well in place. I'm going to turn it to the back and then dab a little bit of E6000 glue at the bottom part of each and every one of the spoons. I got them with skewers and I spray painted them silver. And this is what I'm going to be using to use as a support for my battery operated candles. I measured and I cut them down and I glued them on to look like this, using a hot glue gun and an E6000 glue. I drew out a 1-inch circle and then I cut it out and I made two of them, and that's what I'm going to be using at the front and at the back, or should I say top and bottom of this part right here in the middle. And I glued it down using a hot glue gun and an E6000 glue. I'm going to use a battery operated tea light candle, and I will be gluing one here using the hot glue gun and an E6000 glue. I kept that aside and then I took mirrors that I'm going to be using and I formed some sort of design on it, and I held them all together using the remaining parts of the skewers that we spray painted silver, and I cut them down into smaller bits, and that's what I'm going to be using as a connector for all the mirrors. The skewers that I cut down do an amazing job in holding the mirrors together. At the back, you're going to dab a little bit of E6000 glue to make sure that you have a proper hold. And I made two because I'm going to be making two sconces. So this is how I'm going to be gluing it down at the middle, using the hot glue gun and an E6000 glue also. At the upper part of the design, I glued on a hook to hang it on the wall. And I made two, with the second one facing the opposite side. Now let's switch on to the main mirror. This is an oval mirror that I had, and then I took a board and then I traced it out on the board. And then I'm going to be measuring 1 inch away to make another outer circle. When I was done, I carved it out. And this is what it looks like. And then I spray painted the outer side silver. And then I glued on the oval mirror in the middle. I'm going to be using these mirrors again at the middle part of the design to look almost similar like the design that we have on the sconces. So I'm going to be using the smaller mirrors around the 2-inch mirrors. And I'm going to be using skewers to hold them together just like I did for the sconces too. Now this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like at the back. I took more of the spoons and then I'm going to be making a pattern with the spoon around the oval shaped mirror. And this is the spacing that I'm going to be leaving in between each and every one of the spoons, close to 1 inch between each and every one of the spoons. After that, in between each and every one of the spoons, I glued on another set. This is what it looks like. And then I took this hook, I got two actually, and I glued it so I can hang it horizontally and vertically. This is a silver trim that I got from Walmart, and I cut it down into the height of the spoons that I glued onto some of the spoons on the mirror and some of the spoons on the sconces. And then the open spaces right here for the sconces, I covered it up with diamond wrap. I used these gems that I got from Walmart to finish up the design on the mirror and on the sconces. Now this is what it looks like when it's hanged on the wall, side by side to each other. The request was made for a mirror with sconces that would go all together as a set. And I really love the way this turned out. This is such a unique way to add glam and lighting all together in the home. And the fun part is you can hang the pieces separately if you like. Now let me know in the comment section below what you think about this idea, and remember to like and share. And also remember to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.